Hey guys, Sensei Preston here, Champions 5 tutorial, okay? So when I'm facing you, when you see my face, everything is mirrored, so that's not the way you want to do it. When I turn around and do it, that's the way you want to do it. So I want to say right and left. You guys need to key off of me saying right and left, okay? So from our attention stance, Sensei, we step up with our right foot, shoot our right hand out and say champions, slice our hand down and say 5. Slap our sides and say Sensei. Then an instructor will say salutation. You step out, do an X, and then a double chop right here. So I breathe, and then kia, aya. All right, so from this position, I'm going to step out with my left into a forward bow stance position. Chambering my left hand, slow tension block with my right, chopping with my right straight ahead. Then I'm going to shift my stance hard. Slow tension block with my left, chop with my left. From this position, I step up with my left, punch with my right into a forward bow stance. From this position, I slide my left foot back on my tippy toe. So if I put my foot down, it's just like I'm in my fighting stance. So I slide it back on my tippy toe, chop down with my left, up with my right. So from this position, from here, okay? Now I'm going to step out with my left to reverse bow stance as I do a left chop, forward bow stance punch to the angle, not to the side, chop with my right, punch with my left. From here, I do a spin chop punch. So I step up with my right, spin around with my left. I come here in like a buffalo stance position, and then chop with my left, forward bow stance punch with my right. Let me scoot back a little bit. From here, I open my hand, I do a right outside crescent kick, landing into a reverse bow stance chop. From here, I step up with my right, spin hook kick with my left, land back here with my left into a horse stance outward chop block. From here, I X up, down, slap my sides, I say Sensei, bow, step up with my right, right hand goes out, champions, slice down team, step back natural stance. All right, we're gonna practice that a little bit. I'm gonna turn around and do it the other way right now. All right, guys, so this is Champions 5 from the rear position. I'm going to go a little bit faster. Just say what I say and do what I do, just like I say in class. Sensei, Champions 5. Aya. 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 Aya! 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 Sensei! Champions! Team! Okay, so that was the rear view of Champions 5. So when you are practicing it, try to follow along with me right there at that level. That speed, okay, once you're comfortable with the stances, but remember in earlier katas we covered these stances. All right, once you can go that speed, speed it up a little bit until we get to that black belt speed. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Champions 5. Practice, practice, practice.